Hey YouTube, back with another one here. Outside today is a beautiful day to do car stuff, man. We're gonna do some more car stuff. But long story short, I'm sorry guys, but I put the Impala back together already. So you guys gonna have to just bear with me. We're gonna do some detailing today. The parts still need to be buffed and sanded. And we also need to sand the one headlight because it looks crazy. So let me show you guys what the car looks like currently. Alright YouTube, this is the car. She's back together, she's alive. Running smooth, no more check engine light. Also, the engine light was on this thing for a throttle position sensor. It's a common thing with these cars. It ended up being just the gas pedal. You just replace the gas pedal and voila, no more code. You gotta clear it, but yeah, no more code. So let's get started today. You guys seen it. Let's get this front end shiny. Okay YouTube, so first thing we gotta do is we gotta wet the front end, every part we're sanding, and we're gonna start sanding this vehicle with 1,000 grit sandpaper, and then we're gonna sand with 1200 after that. Alright YouTube, so we got the whole front end sanded down. We got some ugly things. Obviously this needed more paint and clear coat. It's too late to go back now. I'm not afraid to show you guys the flaws. But yes, this is her. Alright YouTube, so we're on to the next step. Car is all sanded down. We got to start buffing. You need Maguiar's mirror glaze ultra cut compound. This is amazing stuff right here. It's about $35 at AutoZone. I'm pretty sure you can get it at Harbor Freights. A couple other places. I will also post a link. This right here, got that from Harbor Freights for $5. This is also a Harbor Freight buffer. We'll put that in the description. Let's get started, guys. YouTube, second day out here trying to get this car together. So I'll take you through what you guys did not see. So I've sanded the car down with 1500 sandpaper and then 2000. After that I started buffing, and we got that mirror finish. You can tell this is just sanded mirror finish. So we're gonna keep going and get this thing done. Alright guys, so you can tell this part is not buffed. You take it over to that side, more shiny, that part is buffed. Using 105 McGregor's. It's coming out pretty good. So it's the ugly side, ugly side, ugly side, sexy side. Yeah. Alright YouTube, this is the aftermath of buffing, sanding, all that fun stuff. She's all nice and shiny. Looks just about factory. Okay YouTube, so this is the finished product. Impala LT brought back to life. She's not perfect, but she's worth it. Go walk around. She's back to life. Buffed, waxed, washed. Interior still needs a cleaning, but I'll take care of that later. I might make a video of it, might not, depends on the weather. But this is the aftermath. The Impala, she's back alive. She's ready to hit the road. Alright YouTube, that makes another video here today with SJ Auto Repairs. Not really sure what I'm gonna do with the Impala though. Might keep it, might not, might sell the TL, might not. I don't know. I will keep you guys updated. But if you like this video, please subscribe. Put your people on. Put your people on. Put your mama on. Anybody, put them on. People, come on. Mess with your boy.